violent earthquake has rocked Southeast Asia. It happened this morning. This is video out of the Thai capital of Bangkok. So you can see the 7.7 magnitude earthquake sending water from what appears to be a rooftop pool down the side of that skyrise. We do know some casualties have been reported, and we have a new video in of a separate building. This is in Bangkok as well. This is it collapsed. You can see during this quake. Now the building was under construction when it happened. And Robert, you are familiar with this area of the world, and you've been following this closely as well. What I do want to note is the location of where the quake actually struck, as opposed to what we're seeing right now, Bangkok.
Yeah.
So here it is. You're saying this right here is where it hit the epicenter.
That's the epicenter.
And Bangkok is all the way down
600
here.
miles away where you're seeing that building
collapse.
collapse.
We saw the building collapse there.
And yeah, I'm familiar for this area. Someone was asking me this earlier. Lived and worked out in this corner of the world for nearly a decade.
Wow.
Earthquakes, you get used to them, but when you get up to this level of intensity, there's no getting used to it.
I was going to say 7.7 magnitude, that's massive.
The strongest to hit that specific country since 1988, Katie, or Keith, excuse me. And you know, just some of these, the strongest in that corner of the world since the 2008 Sichuan earthquake. That, of course, was across the border just north into China. Another thing people have been asking is there a tsunami threat? This is over land. It is very shallow, only 10 kilometers deep. And right now there has been casualties reported, but just based on history and the images we are seeing, that death toll, unfortunately, is likely going to continue to rise. And we'll, of course, keep you posted here and at firstcoastnews.com on that. Let's bring you back home.